Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Samsung SmartThings for home automation. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the SmartThings app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Install the app on your smartphone or tablet. Open the SmartThings app and create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, tap on the plus icon to add a new device. Select the type of device you want to add, such as lights, cameras, or sensors. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your device in pairing mode. Connect your device to your Wi-Fi network when prompted. Enter your Wi-Fi password if required, and wait for the device to connect. Once connected, you will see the device listed in your SmartThings app. Tap on the device to customize its settings according to your preferences. To create an automation, go back to the home screen and tap on Automations. Select Add Automation and choose a trigger, such as time or device status. Follow the prompts to set the conditions for your automation. Choose the actions you want to occur when the conditions are met. Save your automation and test it to ensure it works as expected. For added control, explore the Scenes feature to create customized settings for multiple devices. To manage all your devices, use the main dashboard for an overview of your home. Regularly update the app for new features and improvements. Explore third-party integrations to expand your SmartThings ecosystem. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.